Hey YouTubers, if you need to add a highlighter to a web page, I learned how to do it today. I thought I'd show you how I learned. Just enter, if you have Chrome, and add simple highlighter to your search. I've already added it to my computer, but you go down here and it'll be a Chrome extension, Google Chrome. You can see where it's coming from, googlechrome.com. Now, this is the web store for Google, and this is the app you're going to be putting on your computer. I've already put it on mine. Once you add it to your computer, you end up with a little pen up here, a little icon. So let's go to a website. Now let's say we want to highlight something. You would use your mouse like always, highlight it, then right click. When you right click down here, it allows you to open up the simple highlighter. Now this asks us what color we want to highlight. We're going to use red automatically. What if we want to use a different color? Right click again, highlighter, let's use yellow. Now let's say we don't want these anymore, we want to get rid of them. Go back to the pen and click on it, and it'll give us a little box up here where you can see functions and remove all highlights, or you can save and use different styles and so on and back them up. But that's basically it. Let's remove all highlights. Yes. So we just removed everything. So that's how simple it is to use the simple highlighter with Chrome if you're marking up some web pages to use and let's say you're making a video like what I'm doing and you want to highlight. That's how you can do it. Hope this something helps you. Put new videos on every week. Been doing it for 13 years. Got over 800 videos now. Check out my channel. I got stuff you never know what you're going to find because I never know what I'm going to put on there. All right, guys, I'm babbling here. Take care. See you out there.